Here, I'm discussing about that how to promote social media icons on your Facebook page. Suppose your Facebook page will be getting for more likes. So how to increase your Instagram followers, YouTube channel subscribers, views, and you can promote for Twitter follow purpose. That is called we are adding for social media icons on your Facebook page. That is called you can automatically share it for the your page awareness, automatically share it for other social media awareness also. That is called you can add option call is about. If anybody, if you select the page, the first option select for the about information. The about information, the option call is edit other accounts, edit other accounts. In the other accounts, click for add account. In this, we have the multiple options are there. Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, Twitch, WhatsApp app, Line and WeChat. In this one, I'm selecting first one, Instagram. Just go to Instagram, click for Instagram account, only select for username. Only select for username. The username will be called Rakesh Tech Solutions. Search here, paste it. Next one, add account. This select for Twitter. Go to Twitter account. Next here, select your Twitter account. In this, select for username. Click for username. Only select for username. If you selecting for complete URL, these are wrong. Select for complete URL is the wrong. Next one, select it. The option call is YouTube. Here the showing for up to youtube.com. This one. Select for up to channel 2 in this username. Channel / your YouTube ID. Click for here. Select. Click for save. I can see the option. This is a blog. This is a YouTube. This is the Twitter. This is the Instagram. This is all you can display on your channel purpose. It's showing for your blog address, everything. Here, just click for edit. Here, because it's visible only for one website. But here, you can add your totally so many social media icons. But a useful we can add for 3: Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. Here not showing for LinkedIn. If you are adding for WhatsApp, adding for WhatsApp also. Select here, adding for WhatsApp. Is it clear? This is add on your social icon on your Facebook page for getting for Instagram follower purpose, YouTube subscriber purpose, Twitter will be this for followers purpose. This is called add on your social icon on your Facebook page.